I want to start this video off with a question for you. I want you to watch this video, find out what this Air Jordan 1 is, and then leave a comment. Let me know down below in the comments if you own this pair of Air Jordan 1s. If you do, please put a bunch of fire emojis down below in the comments. If you don't, please put a bunch of trash emojis. I want to see who owns this pair of Air Jordan 1s that has dropped in price. The price of this Air Jordan 1 continues to drop. Is now the time to buy this Air Jordan 1 before it's too late? You guys still have a chance to get yourself a pair of lost and found Air Jordan 1s. All you guys need to do to enter this free giveaway is like this video, smash that subscribe button, and leave a comment. Let me know your size in the Lost and Found Jordan 1. Follow me on Instagram, DannyMoore2369. Follow Sneaker Ease on Instagram. His link is down below in the description as well. And DM me proof, DannyMoore2369. Send me proof that you guys did everything. Good luck. This giveaway ends at the end of January. Make sure you guys get your giveaway entries in for a free pair of Lost and Found Air Jordan 1s. We need to talk about the price of this Air Jordan 1. What the hell is going on? The price of this Air Jordan 1 has been dropping and dropping a lot. Resale at one time was over $1,000, and now they're sitting at around $650, even $550, depending on the size. Market is down and has significantly dropped on this Air Jordan 1. This is crazy because this is a very limited and hyped pair of Air Jordan 1s. This Air Jordan 1 was not easy to get. There is a lot of hype and demand, but not as much hype on this Air Jordan 1 as compared to other Air Jordan 1s of this nature. This Air Jordan 1 is fire, straight fire still, and very wearable. In my opinion, it was time, it was necessary and needed to get an all-black pair of Travis Scott Air Jordan 1 lows. We are now a month after release and we've seen the price drop hard. 1,000 down to 800, down to 700s, stayed there for a little, and now have finally dropped more to around that $650, depending on size. That 9.5 and 12 are still a little over $700, but this Air Jordan 1, the Travis Scott Black Phantom, is a clean pair of Air Jordan 1s, I must say. They're very wearable, all black. You really can't go wrong with the colorway. However, I don't see a lot of people hype about this pair of Air Jordan 1s because of the colorway. It's just an all-black sneaker. The white stitching makes this sneaker pop. Of course, you have the backward swoosh, Nike Air on the tongue, Travis Scott branding there on the tongue as well, Air Jordan Wings logo on the back, and you have the insect stitched on the back as well. The sock liner does have this soft-like, felt-like material, which makes it very soft. They do come with extra laces as well. All black bottom, which is very, very nice. If you're looking to buy a pair of Travis Scott Air Jordan 1s, this is the go-to. This is the cheapest pair, and in my opinion, will remain the cheapest pair of Travis Scott Air Jordan 1s. We will see. Prices may dip a little bit more, but I will say, if you guys like this Travis Scott sneaker, you guys should go ahead and buy them before it's too late in general, because over time, prices may eventually creep up. Prices have dropped. Buy the Black Phantoms if you like them, if you want them, if they're a must-have. Good luck on the Lost and Found giveaway. Make sure you guys like this video, smash that subscribe button, and please leave a comment. I love you guys. I appreciate you guys. Make sure you guys join the Moore family. Hit that subscribe button, smash that like button. We're always on the grind. We're never gonna stop. Always dropping that fire. Straight fire. Thank you guys so much for watching. We out.